It's been cold the past few days, so we're gonna open this up, and it looks like there's gonna be some ice. So take a look. Oh, there it is. A big chunk of ice. That's frozen sap right in there. We're gonna go bring this over to the bucket. We're gonna pour it in with the rest and boil this baby down. Here we are pouring our sap into our 30-quart bucket. This is actually a bucket to deep fry a turkey, but with all the sap we've got, it's not going to fit in our kitchen, so we do it outside here on our deck. Every time it gets lower down, we just keep adding more and more until we get to the bottom, when there won't be any left and it'll start turning golden brown. And that is when we'll bring it inside. To make your maple syrup, you want your sap to be about 7 degrees above boiling point, which makes it about 219 degrees. So we have brought our sap into the kitchen to do the final bits. We have our thermometer in there. You don't want your thermometer touching the bottom of the pot, or that could mess with the temperature. So you want it a little bit above. We're almost there, and once it hits, you want to immediately turn the stove off. We've just reached 219 degrees, so we're going to quickly pick this up. You can see that dark amber, almost a red looking color. That's perfect. We're going to pour this through our strainer to get rid of any particles we don't want. We're going to put this in the fridge overnight. We're going to let it settle down and make sure any other little pieces fall to the bottom. And then we're going to use a ladle, and we're going to ladle off the top and put them . So we just finished bringing that over here, and we're going to put our maple syrup onto our hot plate. And we're going to ladle off the top again and put it into our hot mason jar. And now we're going to put the top on, and this is gonna, because of the heat, it's gonna create a suction. Turn that on, make sure we get it all the way, and we're gonna flip it upside down. And it's going, because of the heat, it's going to cause the can to close up, create a seal, which will mean we can keep that in that jar forever and it won't go bad. The maple syrup season is relatively short. It's about 2 to 3 weeks. This year we only had about 2 weeks, and this is our production from the 2014 year. As you can see, this is from our first batch and this is from our second batch. There's a slight difference in color. There's always going to be differences when you boil syrup. There might be a slight taste difference, but it does taste delicious. So don't be worried if your syrup is light or dark. Test it out and tell us how it is.